Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, ayan mga bulan ng Canadian. Ang kapatid niya yan, balot na balot. Say hi.
Hi.
Cold.
Oh my God!
Ano? Dito sa dashboard ng sasakyan ay minus 28 mga bulan ng Canadian vlog. Alright. Backing up. Ayan o. Backing up. Back. Ayan mga bulan ng Canadian. Ang camera woman ko ay si Shiley. Yan o. Ihatid ko siya sa ano. Sa school. Oh my gosh. Very cold today. minus 33. Swag to your sister.
No! Scarlett.
Ini-start ko tong sasakyan half an hour before we leave. It was too cold, you know?
Yeah.
Alright. This is Canada, you know? Okay, pick up your cousin.
Okay.
Your cousin. And then stop.
I can't.
No, we stay here.
Here, Daddy Lo.
Wait, stop. Did you stop? Ayan, buhulan ng Canadian na pupuntahan niya yung pinsan niya si Jackson. Alright, kasi malamig. Wait, baby, wait. Umiyak na yung niya, kapatid. Yeah, she's coming later, okay? She just pick up your Kuya Jackson. Alright? No crying, baby. It's too cold, you know? Look at that, eh? Grabing lamig talaga. Ayan, tingnan natin sa another screen. Buhulan ng Canadian vlog, you know? Minus 27, look at that. Minus 27. Alright. So, ang oras ngayon dito ay alas 8:49 ng umaga. Actually, di just sunrise. Ayan, buhulan ng Canadian vlog. Naiinip na siya, nagagalit tuloy. Yan o. Okay, no worries. Ayan na sila o. Maglalakad daw kasama si Scarlett is Natalie, look, Natalie. Right. Yeah, right. Yeah, okay, wait. Okay, nandito na sila mga buhulan ng Canadian, no? O yan, sili. Here.
Bye.
You Jackson. Okay, wait. O, ayun na sila mga buhulan ng Canadian. Sige, bye. Ayun na sila mga buhulan ng Canadian, yun, no? O, yun. Yeah, right. So, ito yung Tisdale Elementary School, yan, no? Yeah, she's going to school, right? And Kuya Jackson. What are you eating? Oh, yogurt. Yogurt or yogurt? Yeah, yogurt, not yogurt. Alright. Charlie boy. What are you watching?
Make a sail, like this green sail.
What's that?
Around
Oh, Blippi. Yeah, Blippi. They're watching Blippi. All right.